Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Maria. I'm so happy that you chose to stop by today. So today I have another video for you, and this one is going to be another fake bake cake, and this time I'm going to be making a lemon cake. I hope you enjoyed this video. Okay guys, here's a quick tip for you. By adding a piece of duct tape to the bottom of your foam, when you go to add your frosting, this would actually prevent it from moving side to side. Alright guys, so I have a confession. I went to the store and I thought I grabbed a number 74 tip, but accidentally grabbed the 47. So here you can see that I'm trying my best to make a leaf, but obviously it does not look like one. So, but then again, you know, work with what you have, right? So my first idea for this lemon cake was to place the slice of lemon on top of the cake. But because the lemon was a little bit too big for this size of cake, I just chose to cut them up in half and place them all the way around. I also wanted to place them on the sides, on the bottom, but they were a little bit too big, so I just chose to leave them on top. All I want. So by the angle of the camera, I wouldn't have not been able to show you guys how I did the spanner going around the cake. So I used tip number 21, and all I did, which I'll be showing you here, the design that I chose was, it's almost like a question mark but without the dot on the bottom. So it was question mark one way and then doing a backwards question mark, if that makes any sense. And I just went ahead and followed that all the way around until I got that designed. I also went ahead and just did like these little dots, almost looking like little flowers, as well, going around the border. And that was it. Okay, so this is the end of the video, guys. I'm so glad that you chose to stop by and check this little lemon cake of mine. I had lots of fun as always when I do my bakes. It's great, you know, it's very therapeutic. Anyway, so here's a closer look for you, and again, thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate every single one of you, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you like this video, and I'll catch you in the next. Till next time, my friends, stay safe, be kind, bye.